Isn't it convenient? Wherever you are, wherever you go, whenever you want, you are connected to life, to friends, to business. Did you know that there's one institution that has made possible all of what you're doing right now? In 1956, the first voice call crossed the Atlantic from Canada to Scotland. In 1964, the first communication satellite was installed in a geostationary orbit. The 1980s hosted the beginning of the analog to digital revolution. The internet was created, optical fiber networks were installed, and the transition to packet switching began, the highly efficient triple play of voice, video, and data. And what makes this possible are international standards developed by ITU members, called ITU recommendations. Now we're standing on the brink of a new era with enormous possibilities. How is the match going? Is your team winning? Encoding and decoding images, broadcast up to 4K and 8K video, we have to keep pace with the amount of data, big data. At ITU, experts from all over the world create and debate solutions, then find a consensus on the solutions to become international standards. The next year's data is increasing exponentially as we connect everything and everyone. Billions of devices online. In the years following 2020, ITU standards will enable the 5G era, hosting the industrial Internet of Things, where smart, sustainable cities will conduct traffic, where harbours, roads and stations guide ships, trucks and trains, and persons with disabilities will more easily participate in life. In developing countries, financial services will be provided to over 2 billion people who currently have no access to bank accounts. ITU Standardization is working to build a human-centric ICT environment where physical space and cyberspace are managed in unison. As technology advances, more of our lives are mirrored in cyberspace. Daily tasks and duties will be automated. Digital devices assist with the detection of medical conditions. ITU Standardization will work to ensure that our digital identities are as trusted as our identities in the real world. We can deal with storms and tsunamis as consequences of climate change. Through efficient early warning systems, and education will be brought to people living in developing countries. We see a future built on international standards created in a spirit of collaboration, standards that are created by ITU.